Welcome back to our channel, where we explore natural remedies for a healthier you. Today, we are diving into the world of Ayurveda to bring you the top 5 dry cough home remedies. If you or someone you know is battling a persistent dry cough, stay tuned, because these ancient remedies can make a world of difference. Segment 1, Ginger and Honey. First up, we have a powerful duo, ginger and honey. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties soothe the throat, while honey's antibacterial action can help ease coughing. To make the remedy, simply mix 1 teaspoon of grated ginger with 1 tablespoon of honey. Take it twice a day for effective relief. Segment 2, Tulsi, Holy Basil. Next, we have Tulsi or Holy Basil, an herb cherished in Ayurveda. It's known for its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. To make the remedy, crush a few fresh Tulsi leaves, add a pinch of black pepper, and mix with honey. Consume this mixture daily for a soothing effect on your cough. Segment 3, Turmeric Milk. Turmeric is a powerhouse of healing compounds. Mixing it with warm milk creates a comforting remedy for dry cough. To make the remedy, add a pinch of turmeric to a glass of warm milk, stir well, and enjoy before bedtime. The curcumin in turmeric helps relieve throat irritation. Segment 4, Steam Inhalation. For quick relief from dry cough, steam inhalation is a game changer. It helps in opening up your airways and provides immediate relief. To make the remedy, boil water, pour it into a bowl, and carefully inhale the steam while covering your head with a towel. This can be done twice a day. Segment 5, Hydration and Rest. Last but not least, never underestimate the power of staying hydrated and getting plenty of rest. Drinking ample water keeps your throat moist, while rest helps your body heal faster. So, make sure you are getting both. Conclusion. And there you have it, our top 5 Ayurvedic home remedies for dry cough. Remember, these remedies are not only effective but also gentle on your body. Try them out, and let us know in the comments which one worked best for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Ayurveda and health-related content. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.